Hey guys, Doug here. I am headed up to battery hookup in Pennsylvania from my house in Maryland. Currently, we are at a charging station, charging up the old Leaf out of Royal Farms. I'm going to be bringing some videos of a new battery, lithium iron phosphate, that I'm picking up. Should be fun. Apparently the gas is all cautioned off. You're not allowed to buy gas here yet. Still driving up in Maryland. We had an 84% charge when I left the fast charger. Batteries are warm. Power's dropping. Maryland's doing a little bit of construction on the highway. Brand new pavement, smooth as can be. Exciting moment. Welcome to Delaware. An exciting state if you like farming. And tolls. They got lots of toll booths. As if gas taxes weren't enough. Alright. At the Delaware Welcome Center. Since I have an old Nissan Leaf, I'm going to stop and charge and use the restroom for a few minutes. This is some kind of 18 kilowatt charger. Super basic. Nice long cord. Charging. It says electric vehicles. Park here for charging and waiting. Alright. Update you guys. Coming into Wilmington, Delaware. One of the biggest cities they have in the whole state. Earlier this week I was just in Dover, Delaware, and I thought that was a big city. And little did I know there was only 30-some thousand people in there. And the community suburb I live in Baltimore is 68,000, so not a big city considering we have no big buildings in our 68,000 people, and they have big buildings in their 30s. I'm taking this route because of the abundance of charging stations in case I need to charge. I am outside of Philadelphia now. charging. At the Nissan store, Chapman Nissan, Philadelphia. When you get into Philadelphia, kind of realize how really bad they have it here. It's very very poor looking area, very poorly kept up roads, a lot of slums area. But on my way to get batteries to make life better, at least to run my house off of batteries and off grid. Driving through Philadelphia. These roads are horrible, as I was saying previously. You want a shot of the city? Got a good 70% charge back at the Nissan Chapman and near the Philadelphia airport. There's a city shot. I don't know if I'm getting it into this camera. Finally off the highway, coming into Bensalem, PA, where a battery hookup is, and I missed my turn. Missed my turn because I wasn't paying attention, which is fine. I'll just make a quick turn, U-turn. I needed to go down Holmel Road, whatever. The road's getting smaller. I got about 3.2 miles to go. The speed limit's 35, but everybody speeds. turning on to atoms. So 1375B. I don't even see. Oh, there's the Utz place. Okay, so that's 1350. Alright guys, a couple days later, car made it back. Took forever, considering that the old battery systems in these Nissans heat up and do not have active cooling. So I went to battery hookup. On Monday. Today is Wednesday. And I bought 4 batteries. They're BYD 24 volt LifePo 4. Here they are. So I'm looking over, don't mind the mess, and notice that they're a little bubbled. I'm curious about that. Now I know battery hookup says that they've tested some of these and whatnot. I'm going to start a series of tests on these, which I will be making videos soon about. I'm curious about these terminals. I'd like to know how to interface with this right here. I'm assuming this is the BMS connector. BYD batteries. Here, let's see if I can get a better view. Rated voltage 25.6. Originally it was a 200 amp hour pack, 5.12 kilowatt, but seems that they're rating it at 3 kilowatts. So these were heavy. I had to get a friend to come over for team lift, probably about 80-90 pounds. So look forward to showing you more about how I set these up in upcoming videos. Thanks for watching.